How to use WhatsApp in 4 devices. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I'll guide you on how you can use WhatsApp in 4 devices, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now you can actually link your WhatsApp account to many devices if you'd like. For this, let's say you're using on your phone and you also want to log in on laptop. You can open the app or you can go to web.whatsapp.com. I'll also make sure to drop a link below. It will ask you to scan a QR code, and to get that scanner, open up WhatsApp. Then just tap the 3 dots option here, go to linked devices. Here you can see I have one window already linked. One is on my phone, one is on my computer. I can add another one by tapping on link a device option, confirming with my fingerprint here, and then just place the QR code at the back of your camera. And once you've done that, you will be able to link up to 4 devices or even more on WhatsApp. This way you can use WhatsApp on 4 devices. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down. Thank you for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.